X was a leader with a cult-like fan base, people that would die for that man. X was a great young and up-and-coming artist who just got taken by a tragic accident. Today I'm be explaining how to be a leader from things I learned from X, better known as XXXTENTACION, aka Young Dagger Dick. First thing is find the passion, because finding the passion gives you more to live for. When you find your passion, you have a purpose, which actually brings me to my next point. Do everything with the purpose behind it, which means make sure that everything you do has a real reason behind it. Without that, you surely will not be a leader. People follow other people who have a purpose because they don't have their own purpose to ride with. Next one, leave your mark. When you do something, make sure you leave your mark. Somewhat of a I was here type of situation. That's pretty much how you be remembered. Without that, you won't be a legend nor remembered. Next thing, aim for greatness. No matter what you do, try to go your hardest. Just do it. If you don't do your hardest, what's the point of doing it? What's the point of being an average person in whatever you do? That's not how you become a legend nor a leader. Next thing, you need to connect with your followers. Once you have followers, you need to show them love and affection. How would you feel if your favorite artist showed you love? You will be on top of the world, ready to connect with them so much more. Even if that means it ain't by texting, you still will be happy and be ready to go and connect with their music more if that's what it is. Last thing, don't procrastinate. Don't be the type to say you're gonna do something but then never do it. You don't want to be the type to be like, I wish I would have done this. Just do it. No Nike sponsor, but no, like I was saying, that's all the tips I got for you guys. I hope that you learned something and enjoyed this video. Please comment so I know what I should improve on or what to even make a video about next. And if you really want to contact or you got something that's going on, you want to talk about it, just hit me up on Instagram, link in the bio. Gotta see you later.